64, 64, 64 Zulu. 64, 64, 64 Zulu.
Hello, I'm Lucy. I live at 64 Zoo Lane. And I have some very special neighbours. Look!
There's one with a hump, and one who can jump, and one who is, well, a little bit plump.
64, 64, 64 Zulu.
Some like it hot, and some like it chilly, and some like it both ways, and that's a bit silly.
64, 64, 64 Zulu.
Some are friendly, some are scary, but one thing is sure, not one is ordinary.
64, 64 Zulu.
Some are sporty, some are stripy, they're prickly and woolly and furry and slimy. Some are quite big and some are very small, and the last one's Georgina, who's incredibly tall.
64, 64, 64, 64 Zulu.
Bedtime, Lucy.
OK, Mum.
The story of the Big Billabong Wave.
And how would you say that something is good?
You'd say, that's bonza, mate.
That's bonza, mate.
Now try this one. G'day, mate.
G'day, mate.
That's bonza. You're really getting the hang of it now.
G'day, Lucy.
Good day, everyone.
G'day, Lucy.
Hello. You're new here, aren't you?
Yes, this is Carrie the cockatoo. She's here on a visit from Australia. She's been teaching us how to speak Australian.
And we thought we might ask her to tell us a story.
Oh, yes, please. Do you know any good ones?
I sure do, mate. I've got a very good one, actually. It's all about... Well, why don't I just tell it to you? This is the story of the Big Billabong Wave. It was the start of another long, hot day in the outback.
Same old Billabong.
Same old games.
Why is there never anything new to do round here?
Look, there's Carrie the cockatoo.
I thought you was on holiday by the sea.
Let's go talk to her.
Hey, Carrie!
Yoo-hoo!
Oh, hi. I was quite tired after my long flight from the seaside, but Joey and his friends wouldn't let me go till I told them all about my trip. And then we had a beautiful barbie on the beach and went fishing on the reef, and best of all, there was the surfing.
Oh, yeah, surfing. I've heard of that. What is it again?
Well, there's a giant wave, and you ride on it, on top of the wave. You stand on a little wooden board and can do all these fancy tricks and ride along above the sea. That's surfing.
Wow!
I want to go surfing.
And me.
Me too.
So what are we waiting for?
But I don't think you can surf here. You need waves.
Jimmy, you can't use a rock as a surfboard. You'll fail. This is more like it.
Wow, looked like a surfboard.
Hey, look at this.
Perfect.
Me first. We better practice on dry land. It's easy.
Yeah, when there's no real waves. Me next.
Now me.
Joey discovered balancing on the surfboard wasn't easy. But eventually, with lots of practice, they all got the hang of it. Now, there was only one problem left.
Where are all the waves?
There were no waves on the Billabong. It was just big and flat. Joey and his friends were very disappointed.
Hey, it's Wally Two Trees.
Have you never heard of the Big Billabong Wave? Then it's time you did. Many, many years ago, when the world was still young, there came from the Billabong a great wave. The Big Billabong Wave.
Wow!
A huge wave, taller than a tree.
Wow.
Wow, indeed. It was the biggest wave anyone had ever seen. From time to time, they say the big wave comes back to this very Billabong.
Let's go and find it.
It may be a very long time before the next wave.
That's all right, Mr. Two Trees. We'll wait all morning if that's what it takes.
And remember, Joey, all good things come to those who wait.
Yeah, nice one. Bye.
Can you see it yet? I'm going in first.
Won't be long now.
At first, Joey and his friends waited patiently.
It'll be along soon, I guess.
Yeah, any moment now.
But after a while, Phoebe got bored.
Oh, I thought Carrie said surfing was fun. I'm going home. Might climb a few gum trees. Want to come?
No thanks. Think I'll stick around a bit longer.
Yeah, me too. I'm gonna ride that wave.
Then Jimmy got bored too.
Oh, Phoebe's right. Surfing is boring. I think I'll go and hang out with the triplets. Coming?
No thanks. I'll give it a bit longer. Mr. Two Trees did say we had to try and be patient.
Suit yourself.
He waited and waited, and then he waited some more. But Joey wasn't bored. In fact, the more time he spent by the Billabong, the more he liked it.
It's really beautiful here and so peaceful. Jimmy and Phoebe don't know what they're missing. But I'd still like to ride that Big Billabong Wave just once.
All good things come to those who wait. Hey-a-hum, hey-a-hoo, come a wind, blow, blow. Big Billabong Wave, flow, flow. Hey-a-hum, hey-a-hoo, come a wind.
Oh, where did that wind come from? Oh!
Come on, Jimmy, your turn.
That's quite a wind. The Big Billabong Wave. I never guessed the Big Billabong Wave would be quite as big as this.
You can do it, Joey!
Oh, here goes. Ah,
It's fantastic.
What's going on?
There was a big storm and we got worried about Joey. Where is he?
He's out there on the Big Billabong Wave.
On the Big Billabong Wave?
Well then, what are you waiting for? Big Billabong waves don't last forever, you know.
Wait for me! we surfed and surfed until the sun went down and the Big Billabong Wave was no more.
Wow, what a bonza story. Wish I could go surfing down under.
Yes, but not tonight. I think a certain young lady should be heading for somewhere a little nearer home.
Where's that, mate?
Nelson means it's my bedtime. I suppose I am quite tired. Good night, Carrie.
Good night, Lucy.
Sweet dreams.
64, 64, 64 Zulu. 64, 64 Zulu.
The story of Alfie and Charlie's Canoe.
Hello, Lucy. How are you?
I'm fine. I've just been on an amazing school trip.
Oh,
Where did you go?
I don't really know. The driver of the bus got lost.
Oh, no!
But it was great fun.
It was?
Yes, we got stuck in a traffic jam. So we had a competition counting red cars and blue cars. I counted 64 red ones.
Well done.
64, 64, 64 red ones.
This reminds me of that time when Alfie and Charlie went canoeing down the river.
Oh, Boris, tell us the story.
Well, it all started one morning in autumn when Alfie and Charlie were relaxing on a boulder overlooking the river.
Smashing day, Charlie.
Aye, Alfie. A great day to go exploring.
See that river bend? I've never been round there before.
No, me neither. So why don't we go there?
Aye? But how?
Sorry, boys, but I couldn't help overhearing about your little problem. I could teach you how to canoe. That's the best way to see the river.
Whoa, magic, man.
But first, we gotta get ourselves a canoe.
Luckily, Randolph knew just the person for the job.
Sure, I can cut down a tree for you, Randolph. Now, which one would you like? This one? How about that one?
No. That's the one. Just perfect.
But why so small?
It ain't for me. It's for the chipmunks here.
Okay, then. Stand by!
Those boys have got a lot to learn. Stand back now, boys.
In no time at all, the canoe was ready.
Well, I need to go and check on a few of my dams, but have a good trip.
We will.
Hey, man, this is a smashing little canoe. Oh, aye, it's champion.
Keeping safe on the river is real important, boys. Put these pine cone vests on in case you fall in the water.
Hey, Randolph, will we be able to go all the way to the sea?
I don't reckon so, boys. Not unless you want to go over Big Drop Falls.
What's that?
It's an enormous waterfall. We'll need to watch out for it.
We?
Oh, yeah. You boys are way too little to be out on that river alone. I'm a-coming with you.
Oh, that's great, Randolph. Ta!
But we need some paddles first. Can't go canoeing without paddles. Here you go, boys. No! Come back! Come back! Come back!
Randolph? What happened? Where are the boys?
They're out there, Beverly. There was some kind of accident, and they drifted away.
We have to rescue them.
They're way too little to be out on such a big river all alone, and with no paddle.
I'm gonna make us a rescue canoe.
No time for that. This log will do. Don't look so worried, Bev. What I don't know about rivers ain't worth knowing.
You forgot your paddle!
Poor Randolph was now stuck on the river without a paddle. Beverly knew she had to act quickly.
My, this river is flowing pretty quick today. Those poor chipmunks must be scared out of their wits.
Isn't this just champion? I love the scenery along here. Hey, look there! It's Barbara! Hello, Barbara! It's amazing how fast you can travel without paddles.
Aye. Hey, I wonder where that waterfall is that Randolph was talking about.
Oh, still miles away, I reckon.
Meanwhile...
Steady there, Randolph.
Hold on tight, everybody! Rescue on the way!
Hey, wouldn't it be fun to go over the edge of that waterfall?
Aye? But what if we get wet?
Oh, wait. Time to go back on dry land, Charlie. Ready?
Ready?
Hey, here comes Randolph. Hi-ho!
No, boys! I ain't floating here! You have to help me!
But Alfie and Charlie couldn't hear Randolph.
Ah, he must have fancied a swim.
Boys, have you seen Randolph?
Aye?
He went that way.
Do you think he's decided to visit the sea after all?
Aye. He's managed to get past the big waterfall with no bother at all.
But this isn't the big waterfall. This is teeny weeny falls. Big drop falls is round that bend in the river. We need to rescue Randolph quickly.
But how will we catch up with him in time?
Then Alfie had an idea. Beverly and the chipmunks had built a hang glider. Randolph was getting closer and closer to Big Drop Falls.
Randolph! Get ready to grab on!
Thanks, guys. Hey, look. See all that silver sparkling in the distance?
Aye?
That's the sea.
Whoa! Untitled fantastic!
Hey, we have to do this again sometime. Aye?
Oh.
Oh, thanks, Boris. That was a great story and a great journey.
You're welcome.
There's a very short journey you need to make now, Lucy.
I think I know. Beds! Good night, everyone.